Hey guys, today I'm going to be turning myself into a TikTok e-girl.
I really just don't want to mess this up. I know for a fact I will cry if I do.
Oh, you know it's real when you start to sweat.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know about this. Hey guys, so like I said, I'm turning myself into an e-girl today. If you don't know what an e-girl is, essentially it's like an indie goth kind of chick. Like, it's like goth with color and edginess. Like, my definition of it is probably like a punk rock goth chick. And of course, I'm gonna start with my makeup. I don't have much experience with makeup in general. Nonetheless, edgy, dark makeup, I tend to stick to like lighter colors, things that if I mess up, it's not so bold and noticeable. Like my first impression of TikTok was just cringe videos. I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people who just like, oh, okay, TikTok is really whack, and I'm not gonna get into that because that's just a weird crowd right there. But it technically wasn't all my fault. Facebook really just showed me cringe videos from TikTok, so that's all I had to go based off of. And it's really not like that. Like, Facebook saw me like watching them, and of course like it's gonna be like, okay, you keep watching these videos, maybe you want more, but I just couldn't look away. You know, something so cringy, you just like, what? So it just kept giving me more and more cringe videos. And TikTok's really not like that. It's kind of like if you made high school into a social media app. You've got the cool kids, you know, the kids who can dance. You have your theater kids, your actors, your POV kids. You have, you know, those sporty preppy girls, the visco girls. And you have your version of the goth kids, the e-girls and e-boys. And your weird kids, which I'm gonna just say are like the anime loving part of TikTok and the cosplayers, which is really why I got TikTok, because I was like, oh, there's cosplay on here, and it was over after that. That's pretty much, you know, what TikTok is. There's a category for everybody really, and it's not just cringe. I mean, it has its cringe moments, but it's not all that it is. So today I'm going to be turning myself into one of the TikTok goth e-girls, and I think I'll do pretty good. I know in high school I was like a hippie kind of. I started off, I couldn't find my aesthetic, but I was like a hippie at first, and then I kind of started steering towards like the edgy goth girl. I never really had a scene phase. It was more of like a goth phase. I would like to say back then I was kind of an e-girl because I was just like way too into colors to give it up. Like literally in between my hippie phase and my like goth scene girl phase, it was a rainbow phase. It was literally everything rainbow. And I'm so sad that I don't have a lot of pictures from that era in my life, but I'm gonna do my base makeup and then we'll get to all the fun stuff. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I looked up some e-girl makeup looks, and it's just really some bold color eyeshadow that's pretty much everywhere. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up wearing something black, so I don't know. Let's see. Blue eyeshadow just never looks good on me. I haven't tried green before. Green is edgy. Ooh, wait a minute. I don't know. Really don't want to mess this up. I'm terrified, but I think I'm gonna go with green. I really just don't want to mess this up. I know for a fact I will cry if I do. Alright, I'm gonna look up some edgy green eyeshadow looks. I know better than to try new things. It always ends wrong. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. Can I even do that with my eyes? We're gonna try. I'm just gonna like channel my inner edgy girl. Edgy. And pray for the best. I am terrified. I'm already like trying to talk myself back down into like a safe look that I know I can pull off, but trying new things. Okay. Not horrible. Just gonna splotch this everywhere. That's edgy. Ooh. Green is definitely an edgy look. I really wanted like maybe an orangish look, but I feel like that's gonna be like too neutral because I'm just gonna end up mixing it with browns and golds, and then it's just gonna like just be this normal look. But green, that's edgy. I wanna do like a really bold color right here. I think I'm gonna do like this glittery green color. I feel like I should look like I have bags under my eyes. No sleep is edgy. Oh, you know it's real when you start to sweat, boy. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I'm gonna go and do my outer with this glittery green color. Okay. Reminding me of like dinosaur skin or something. And we get out. Ooh. Okay. Like I just covered my whole eye in it, and I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Should I go that deep into my inner, you know, it's edgy. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know about this. This could turn out okay. I'm gonna try and do something on the lid. Just a smidget. This color. Not what I thought it would be, but it's okay. We are going to keep going with it because it is too late to turn back. I'm gonna make this work. Maybe if I drag it out a little. It's a pop. It's a pop. It's a pop. It's a vibe. This is how makeup's done, right? This can go somewhere. This can. I promise. I'm not about to cry. Okay. I have lost sight of my vision for this look. You know what? I'm gonna do something dark on the outskirts just to get some contrast going. That looks like something. Just gonna fade that out. All right, that's a bold eye look.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Now I have to try the eyeliner look, and I've lost all the confidence I had from when I started this, but I have to follow through at this point because I made this eye look to match the eyeliner, so now it would just look weird without it, and I've trapped myself. Let's just start with the basics. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Oh no! Can I save this though? What was I going for? Maybe if I go all the way? No. This is gonna look a hot mess. I'm losing all hope. Why? I should have just did a basic look. No. Because basic is not E, girl. Okay. Edgy. That is a no. Yeah, that's a solid. No, wait. Maybe. That's still a no. No. See, I just feel like I don't have the eyelids for this look. I'm just gonna keep making it thicker until it looks like something. Whew. Maybe if I just cover it up. Noticeable, right? I don't even know how I'm gonna do this for the other eye. Maybe it needs to be thicker. It's helping. It's helping. This is stressful. Okay, I had to finish that off camera because I needed full focus to make this any type of decent. I'm still not 100% satisfied with it, but it is a look and it is definitely edgy. So I'm gonna count that as a win and move on. Okay, so really feeling like this pink is about to clash with this green, but blush is an e-girl must, so it just has to happen. And it's gonna be all up here because, you know, it's not like the regular, you know, apples of your cheek blush. It's like the hentai anime girl blush. If you know, you know. I lied. I'm gonna use this blush. I feel like I spent too much time trying to get this eye look right to just mess it up with the blush. So, just gonna go in there. Okay. I look like a shy anime villain. Like, ooh, I'm evil, but I have a crush on you. Like, this is just a weird contrast, and I don't know how to feel about it. We're gonna keep blending over the nose, on the nose. I really hope this comes out good. Like, I want it to work, but I feel like my ideas of what e-girls look like is slowly becoming distorted, and I'm not sure what to do about it. Good enough. Okay, so now that I'm done with that whole ordeal, I'm gonna try and do the little iconic e-girl hearts. Right there should be good.
Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my hair and the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'm actually really happy with how it came out. Despite all the stress I went through, it really came out looking good, so worth it. I went with the typical tiny pigtails. I didn't have a two-toned wig, so I just did a two-tone lip color, and it came out pretty edgy. I really liked it. It was nice. It was cute. And if it wasn't for how stressful it was trying to execute this look, I'd probably do this more often, but we'll see. Maybe when my makeup skills improve, I can try doing more looks like this. Now for the outfit, I went with all black. I got this really cute, typical e-girl shirt from the Goodwill, an old leather skirt, and boots I also got from the Goodwill. Thrifter. And it came out really nice. Like, I felt so cute. Like, I am an e-girl. This is me now. And honestly, I feel like this aesthetic is going to become a permanent part of my closet because it really just has this really cute anime girl kind of vibe to it. It's kind of like rocker, goth chick. Like, I feel like the main anime character in my own life. And she's a bad bitch. Honestly, I felt like that chick off of Death Note, and I wasn't even mad about it. Like, it was just a really cute aesthetic. And of course, you know, I had to record some TikToks in this look. No, I can't dance. I really wish TikTok came out when I was young and spry. But you know what? I still got it. And as long as I'm having fun, I'll continue to make a fool out of myself. So, thank you to all who stuck to the end of this chaotic mental breakdown mess of a video. Of course, go follow me on TikTok and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Click the bell as well so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. I do cosplay music videos, makeup, hair tutorials. I'm all over the place. I'm a hot mess. You know that by now. But thank you so much for sticking through. Love you guys. Okay, bye.